And we will start episode 6. I'm going to share my screen quickly. And most probably you guessed it. Where are we heading to? We are going to head to CoinMarketCap. That's right. I love CoinMarketCap. And what coin are we talking about today? We're talking about the Apertum coin that I reckon has got huge potential. Why am I saying that? Well, you can do your own research. We are ranked 402 out of 9,537 tokens or coins, and that is pretty impressive, right? And we also got a fixed supply of 2.1 billion. And you can scroll down and you can read some news, what's going on. We've also, what is Apertum as well? Apertum is a leading general layer 1 blockchain in the Avalanche ecosystem built to deliver high performance, scalability, long-term sustainability. And we launched in January the 30th. And the foundation Apertum on the 30th, but the actual network is demonstrated explosive growth community. Its native token officially was launched on February 19th, the Apertum DEX. So really, really excited about this project. So not financial advice, obviously. I mean, cryptocurrency can have risks, but add it to your portfolio, right? I mean, add a little bit to your portfolio. I've got something that is always powerful. This terminology, got it from ChatGPT. Dollar cost averaging is like a seventh wonder of the world. If you can have the discipline to do this in your portfolio on crypto, it could be life changing. So dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy where you regularly invest a fixed amount of money into an asset like stocks, crypto, for example, weekly, monthly, regardless of the asset price. To purchase consistently over a long period of time, 3 to 5 years, imagine what would happen to your portfolio, right? So average cost purchase, the Apertum token. How do you do that? I'm going to show you. So in the description below on this video, I will have some links. This is the video I did yesterday. So just as an example, you can look at the description. And in the description, you'll have begin your crypto adventure. And there's a link there that actually takes you to some more information about the project I'm promoting. It gives you a 7-minute video. Yeah, you can actually register for the project, and this is how you can start bagging these Apertum tokens, okay, through something called a DEX, okay? And I'm going to show you now. I'm going to give you a couple of examples. So what's so cool about the project is this is the dashboard when you actually register and get yourself an account. And there's something called a DEX, which is like a decentralized exchange where our coin is trading at the moment, okay? And you can actually become part of a liquidity pool. And this is super, super powerful. And it's not that difficult to be part of this liquidity pool. So I'm going to show you this quickly. Just going to log into my MetaMask wallet. And then I'm going to show you. So first wealth principle that I want to share with you is why don't you get some Apertum coins? How do you do that? Very, very simple. All you would do is purchase some USDT. I mean, you can send some USDT to your MetaMask wallet. And then what you can do is you can swap some of your wrapped USDT. For example, you could swap like 1 or 2, whatever. And then you can buy a Apertum, right? Well, you're just swapping it for a Apertum, okay? And I mean, I can do an example. I do have to switch my video off though, because it doesn't like it when my video is on. So I'll just switch that off, and then I'll just do a nice example for you guys. So I'm gonna get some Apertum, right? So I've sent USDT to my wallet, my MetaMask wallet, and now I'm gonna swap it for Apertum because I want to bag some of this Apertum, because who knows what this price is going to be, right? So it's like, again, dollar cost averaging into the Apertum. So let's do it. So I'm going to do, just as an example, I'll do one, and then I'll do another one. So I'm going to do one, and then I'm going to select Apertum, and I'm actually going to swap it. So and let's do it. Just to swap it. So this is how you can use your USDT to get Apertum. I've just got a security device that I'm just going to do quickly, confirm swap, just to give you an idea how you actually swap it, right? And then I'm just going to do that quickly. So this is how you accumulate Apertum for step one. You're just swapping your USDT into Apertum and done. So there we go. So now I've got some Apertum. Now something which is super cool, which is called pools. Okay, very, very powerful. So first of all, I want to show you the Apertum token and the pool, what interest rate we're getting at the moment. We're looking at 26 per annum percent, because what you do is in a liquidity pool is you share in the fees, okay, that get shared to the people who put money into the liquidity pool. So how cool would it be to get 26 per annum on your money that you put in the liquidity pool, right? And you can take the money out at any time and you just grow it. I got something called a cappuccino a day effect, that I buy one cappuccino a day and I put it in this liquidity pool. And imagine if you did that for a whole year, right? Or 2, 3 years, how big this pool would get. So I'm going to do that live. I'm going to add some quickly. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go pools. I'm going to go manage. I'm going to go add. So I'm going to add one. So what it'll do is it'll add one Apertum and it'll add the equivalent in USDT because it comes as a pair. And I'm going to simply supply. And this is how easy it is to add to the liquidity pool and get part of that interest. And I can help anybody do the same. There we go. Just going to do that live for you and going to add that to the liquidity pool. Boom, just like that. And now I'm getting that interest, right? So just wait for it. You'll see, there we go. I've added it. And as you can see here, so if I go pools, if I go back here, liquidity providers rewards. Liquidity pool providers earn 0.3% fee on all trades proportional to their share of the pool. Fees are added to the pool. How cool is that? So that's another thing. So first thing is get the token. Second thing is add to the liquidity pool. Third thing is what I wanted to show you is we've got an AI trading bot. Okay. And how cool would it be if you've got an AI trading bot that all it does is, let me go, yeah, all it does is buys. So if I go back to the graph, all it do is when it goes low, it buys coins. When it goes high, it sells coins. And it's bagging you these Apertum tokens. Okay. So you actually effectively, again, dollar cost averaging. So if you do all three, get the Apertum token number one, add to the liquidity pool number two, and three, get yourself a trading bot. How cool is that? Just cycle the money through the three. It's like a tripod, right? So I wanted to share that with you guys. So easy getting started. Just look at the description. Click on, you'll have something in the description. You'll have something like bonus resources. And there's something called link.app.explore freedom. All you do is you'd click on that and simply go through the 7-minute video to give you a bit more information about the project. And then all you would simply do is just click on this, and this is welcome to DAO 1, and register your account. And then when you registered your account, you're ready to go, and go to the apps and go to DEX and get some Apertum tokens, put some into the liquidity pool. And if you want to buy a trading bot, you can get yourself a nice trading bot as well. We can have a quick look at the $500 one, just so you can get an understanding. So it's $500 to purchase and $1,000 to load. So you're looking at a 1,500, okay, in total. But effectively, you get the $1,000, dollars back after it's reached its max performance. So this thing has got a max performance up to 3,000 USDT. Okay, so effectively, you're turning the $500 into the 3,000 USDT. Obviously, it's market conditions. There are risks involved. Yes, absolutely. But you can also have a look at the trading bot that trades automatic for you. And when it reaches its performance target, then the contract expires, and then you can get yourself another trading bot. But how cool is it if you've got a trading bot that just works on automatic, and all it's doing is buying low and selling high on the Apertum token? So what I'm going to do is, this is episode number 6. Hope you've enjoyed it. Get back to me if you've got any questions, and have a wonderful day, and we will speak soon. Thank you.